Hey everybody, today I'm going to show off the elegant icon font and how to install it on your WordPress website. So with that said, let's get right into it. This font is the most beautiful, elegant, and complete icon font on the web, and the best part is that it's free. Unlike traditional graphics, these icons are housed within a font file, which means that they are vector-based and can expand and contract without losing quality. The result is crisp, beautiful graphics on any display. These icons have been optimized with pixel-perfect detail for all multiples of 16 pixels. These icons are dual licensed under the GPL 2.0 and MIT and are completely free to use. Icon fonts are great because they are flexible and fast loading. Using a single font and CSS, you can create countless graphical variations that would normally require the use of an equally countless collection of bulky and non-scalable images. Combined with HTML elements, these icons can even turn into beautiful buttons. Using the elegant icon font on your site is easy, especially if you're an Elegant Themes member. First though, you'll need to upload one of the font files into the Divi builder. Then you can choose the icons from within most Divi modules design tab, or you can use the Unicode in your text to insert it the same way you would an ampersand or a blank space. If you're not a Divi user, we have a tutorial on how to use any font you want on your website without a plugin. A link to that is down below in the description. First of all, download the zip file linked in the description and unzip it on your computer. Then find the elegant font folder and navigate to the HTML CSS folder and the font folder. Inside that folder, you'll find various font files that you can use. After that, follow these steps to upload the font into the Divi builder. Navigate into any module's header or text section and click Design. Then click on the text font dropdown. Press the upload button to bring up the uploader model. Now select any of the font files from the zip archive that you downloaded, and then press the blue upload button. You'll now see the font in the design tab. And with that, your new icon font is uploaded. If you don't want to go through the builder, you can always follow our tutorial to add them to your site another way, which is linked in the description. Once you've uploaded the font to your site, you can set the font to any heading or text style that you want. As long as the design tab has the elegant icon font set, you can feel free to use either the keyboard or Unicode characters to display the font you'd like. Remember that you can customize each heading size, so you can keep H6 in reserve for the elegant icon font and pull it out when needed. And because it's a font, remember that you can size the icon up and down to suit your needs without loss of quality. We have listed a complete reference guide to the elegant icon font, including both CSS classes for individual inclusion and styling, and the Unicode to use the icons inline as you work, which is linked in the description below. Icon fonts are an amazing tool to have when designing a website, and we wanted you to have the very best tool set possible. Combine this free custom icon font with the power of the Divi builder itself, and you're well on your way to creating websites that are truly elegant. If this video helped you in any way, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social networks to keep up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.